Today I am presenting you video number 5 from lesson number 13, Sound. In the previous video, we have studied about characteristics of sound, and the different characteristics were loudness, pitch and quality or timbre. Then we studied about audible and inaudible range. We also know by now the audible range for humans also. Now this is the last video for lesson number 13. In this video we will study about noise and music, how noise and music are different from each other, then what is noise pollution, how it is caused, what are the harmful effects of noise pollution, and how it can be controlled. So every day we hear different types of sound, but all the sounds do not please us, or we don't like all the sounds. We get irritated with some of the sounds. The reason being, which are pleasant to our ear, we refer them to as music, and which is causing irritation to our ears, we regard them as noise. Okay, so if we have to define what is noise, so noise is a sound that appears unpleasant to us, such as the sound of horn, sound near the site of construction, sound of aeroplane, etc. Okay, so these are the noise, and whereas music, the sound which is pleasant to our ear is called music, such as sound of musical instrument, sound of good singer, etc. These are the music. Here also, if you see, the music which is produced by a tuning fork is regarded as music because it is soft and soothing to the ears, whereas hammering of nail is depicting noise because it is causing irritation. So the sound which is pleasant to ear is referred to as music. The sound which is unpleasant to hear is referred to as noise. Okay, and the word noise has been derived from a Latin word noxia, which means I do harm. Noise is produced by irregular vibrations, and music is produced by regular and systematic vibrations. Okay, if you see the notes of a music and noise, you can see noise, the musical note is very regular, the vibrations are regular and they are forming a definite pattern. But in noise, it is not that. It is irregular patterns are being seen. Okay, these are the 2 points for noise and music. Based on these points, you can write the differences also. And when does a music becomes noise? When its loudness is increased, then it becomes noise. Okay, now noise pollution. Noise pollution is what? Actually, it is excessive sound, too much of sound, or it is unwanted sound, the sound which you don't want to hear or which is causing irritation to us. So noise pollution is the unwanted and excessive sound in our environment. Now, how these unwanted sounds come? Like sounds of cracker, factories, vehicle, desert, coolers, air conditioners, aeroplane, transistors and television, high volume speakers, etc. These all are causing noise pollution. You can see these are the causes, and here the figure is giving you the unit of sound, that is decibel, and we have studied in the previous video that sound above 80 decibel is painful for our ears. Okay, so these are the different causes for the noise pollution. Next, we come to, after the causes, we come to the harms which are produced. Okay, now what does it do? It is causing several health problems like lack of sleep, insomnia, the person sleep is reduced, hypertension, blood pressure problems are there, loss of hearing, anxiety, fatigue. So these are the different harms which the noise pollution is causing. And if a person is exposed to loud sound continuously, then he may get permanent or temporary loss of hearing also. Okay, now measure to limit. What can be done to limit the noise pollution? It can be segregated into three parts: for business, for us, for the government. Now for business, reduces the source of sound. Use silencing devices. The devices which are producing less sound should be used. For us, use of TV, radio should be at lower volume. Use less horns and plant more trees, because what the plants do, they absorb the sound. So the intensity of sound is decreased. For government, do not allow factories in residential areas, and planting of more trees should be done. Awareness campaign should be made so people are aware about the harmful effects of noise also. Okay, so these are the different measures which are to be taken care of to limit noise pollution. So this video completes your lesson number 30. Thank you.